How to recover deleted apps on Android. Let's get started. Launch your Play Store. Here we go. Now at the top right corner, you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Manage Apps and Device. Now over here, you will find this section of Manage. Click on it. Now under that, you're going to find different options as Install, Updates Available, Games, and so on. Click on the option of Installed. You'll get the option of Not Installed. Click on it. And with that, different app options will appear. These are the apps that were once installed in your device. Now, how to recover these apps? For that, you have to check in for the app that you want to reinstall. And then at the top, you'll find that arrow icon. Click on it. With that, it's in the process to be installed to your device. By applying the same process, you can recover all deleted apps. Well, this is how you can easily recover deleted apps on Android device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.